Hello, my name is Venkatesh Prakash, and this is the simulation link, a simulation video for the Arduino workshop problem statement for level 2. So let's begin. Now, this whole circuit is part of the problem assigned to me, that is the COVID-19 screening machine. Now, this solution has three parts. Now, this first part is the motion sensing and temperature sensing machine, which senses the temperature and it senses the person between the target range, that is 10 to 20 centimeter. And this part is the sanitizer dispenser machine, which using an ultrasonic sensor, when a person comes in the range of below 20 centimeter, then this servo motor will will squeeze the pump of a sanitizer, of the hand sanitizer, three times, or till the hand remains in the range of the ultrasonic sensor. And this is the final innovative part, which will show the total number of cases of COVID-19, that is confirmed cases, recovered cases, and active cases, and the deceased, so that people can remain updated as well about the country's situation. So let's begin with the first simulation of the first part. Let's zoom in. As you can see, the temperature is already set to 24 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature is below normal temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius. That's why the green bulb is glowing, indicating that the person is normal. Now this is the ultrasonic sensor, which senses a person if he is within the range of 10 to 20 centimeter. As you can see, 18.5 centimeter is well within 10 to 20 centimeter. If we move further, this red bulb, will stop glowing, indicating that the person is out of range. Now this again starts glowing. Now let's move to the temperature sensing part. Let's zoom in. Now let's increase the temperature to 52 degrees Celsius. Now this is way higher than the normal temperature, so this LED blips and the buzzer also starts buzzing, alerting the gatekeeper that the person has a higher body temperature. Let's keep it slightly higher, that is 39 degrees Celsius. Yes, 38 degrees Celsius. And you can see that the LCD is is also glowing and also showing high body temperature as well. Now let's Now let's move to this part. This is the sanitizer squeezing machine, sanitizer dispenser. Let's zoom out, and if a person or someone's hand comes in the range of below 20 centimeter, this motor squeezes the pump of the hand sanitizer bottle and three times. And if someone comes out of range, the machine does not work. And if he's again within range, that is 20 to 20 centimeter, and if we move our hand, the machine will not work. That is, it will work as long as we keep our hand within the range. So it's And the third part, that is the innovative part, it is showing the data for the date 17 January. That is the date when I am doing this project, and is showing the data of COVID-19 cases in India, that is confirmed cases, active cases, and recovered cases. And the deceased. So this whole data is scrolled using scroll display left method. Now we have used 3 Arduinos in this whole machine. So that's all, and thank you.